Hello all, welcome to our channel Cooking Pass. Today we will be sharing with you the pithe recipe. As we all know, pithe is a very famous dish to all Bengalis. Especially this is made during the occasion of Poush Sankranti or Makar Sankranti. Today we will show you how to make kuli pithe or puli pithe, whatever it is you call, in two ways, both seddho or steamed pithe and doodh puli recipe. Let's start preparing. First we will prepare the narkel gur stuffing. The process is as same as narkel laru. Narkel laru recipe is already in our channel. The recipe link is in our description box. Kindly check it out. Try to use notun gur while making the narkel gur stuffing for the pithe, so that it will give you the exact taste of kuli pithe which is made during the Poush Sankranti. Make enough quantity of narkel gur stuffing for the pithe as per your requirement. Next, we have taken 500 grams of atop chal and 250 grams of seddho chal and mixed it well, cleaned and washed properly. Then grind this into fine powder with the help of mixer grinder. Sieve this well to get a fine powder. This is the way how you can make the chaler guri or the rice flour at your home easily. You can keep it in the airtight container for the longer period of time and use it as per your requirement. Now in a karai, boil some water with a pinch of salt. When the water starts boiling, gradually add the rice flour into this and stir it continuously in low flame. Gradually add rice flour until the all water gets absorbed completely. Add more rice flour to make a perfect dough. Stir it continuously in low flame for 2 minutes at least. After 2 minutes, switch off the gas. The texture of the dough should be like this. Now this is ready to knead it. Transfer this into a big vessel and start kneading it. Start kneading the dough carefully while it is still hot. Dust some rice flour as per your requirement and knead it well. The dough is ready now. It will be look like this. Cover this with a wet cotton cloth to prevent drying. Take small amount from the dough one by one and start making the pithe like we are doing here. Make small balls and then flatten it and make a bowl shape. Take small amount of stuffing guren naru and put it inside the dough and seal all of its edges perfectly so that the stuffing or the filling won't come outside. Give it a perfect shape. Make designs as per your choice. This is the perfect traditional kuli pithe design we are doing here. You can do it like this. Make more pithe as you want. Now these are ready to be steamed. You can make designs as you want. Here we have made two types of designs. Now this will go straight for the steaming. This is the another type of design which is known as jamai pithe. Now boil some water in a handi or in a big vessel and put a strainer like this on the top of it. Now put dumplings or the pithe into this one by one in batches. Cover it and steam it for 15 minutes in high flame. 15 minutes are over. Let's check if it is done. It is done now. If you want to have steamed pithe or siddho pithe, serve it hot immediately and enjoy this. You can enjoy it hot like this. Also, you can drizzle some nolen gur from the top of it and enjoy. For doodh puli, boil some milk in a handi. Here we have taken full fat milk, 1 liter. Add sugar and jaggery into the milk as per your taste. Boil it for 5 minutes in low flame and stir continuously. You can see because of the jaggery, the milk turned into a beautiful color. The jaggery we have used here is notun gur or patali gur. You can add more jaggery or more gur here at this stage for the more richer color. Boil the milk until it is slightly thick in texture. The milk has started thicken, so add the steamed kulipithe into this and let it boil for 5 minutes more. Now the doodh puli is ready to be served. Serve it hot and enjoy. From Team Cooking Pass, we wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. Do try this recipe at the occasion of Sankranti and do let us know how you've enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and also share this recipe with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such new recipes every week. Thank you for watching.